So this is the way we gonna get the little puppies to get used to all sounds. Not one on flinch. We like that. We like that. That's a little what? That's that old good stuff. Hey. Hey, buddy. That little motherfucker right there. Ken Jefferson for sure. Now, Master Von der Muff has his own techniques and methods. Now, I got one of my little kennel buddies coming out with some balloons, and we finna test them to see if they scatter sounds. I want you to stand over there, and you can stand right over their head, and I want you to bust these balloons right ahead. Let me back up. There you go. There we go.
Yes, Vanguard K9 and Master Von der Muff. Home of the working Belgian Malinois and Dutch Shepherds. Puppies available, DVDs, dog journals, and a registry for the most important dog. Call us today.